and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a fun blue look and I'm going to be using new products that I received. I'm going to basically do what I would usually do, like prep my face and then go in with the makeup and all of that. So if you want to see how I create a blue fun look with some new products, then please keep watching. To start off the face, I like to apply a sheet mask, and there are all types of sheet masks. So I'm gonna go in today with this OK sheet mask. This is the Radiant Skin Pearl Hydro Gel Mask, and it's a piece mask. So one goes on top and then one goes on the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this before I go in and prep my face. If you are wondering where to get sheet mask for a very good price, I recommend you checking Walmart. Yes 2 is in Dollar Tree, so if you ever see them in Dollar Tree and you see the Yes 2 brand, I highly recommend them. Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, check them. So you're gonna apply that and leave it on for about 15 minutes, or if you have time, leave it on for the time, which is 30 minutes, and then you're gonna remove it and you don't have to rinse this out. So always look for a mask that is hydrating if you're gonna apply makeup, moisturizing and all that good stuff. This one is hydrating, you leave it in for 30 minutes and then you remove it and there's no rinsing. So always look for that as well. One that you don't have to rinse, that you could just lock in that moisture and then apply your makeup. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I'm gonna remove it. See how I have that moisture on the skin, and you're just going to mix that into the skin and make sure that it's well blended. You also want to make sure that it dries well before you apply your primer or whatever you're gonna apply. Okay, so after that's well dried on your face, you're gonna go in with your primer and everything that you use before your makeup, of course. So I'm kind of sick still, so if you hear a little it's because I've been sick for a couple of days. I like to use this Nug Beauty lip scrub, and a little goes a long way with this. It's basically like a scrub with like a chapstick. It's like so cool. I don't even know, like other lip scrubs are like messy. This is not messy at all. So you just put this on your lip and it basically just scrubs the nastiness, and it also moisturizes at the same time. So it's so cool. And then I go in with my lip balm, and this is by Lick Lips. This is my go-to. It's like a lip mask. It makes my lips super soft. I'm gonna go in with my Rose Flash Balm by Pixie Beauty, and this is an instant skin booster, and this is so amazing, and a little tiny bit goes a long way. So this just makes your skin, like if you had a long night and your skin is extra dry, that will boost your skin literally in seconds. I'll be using the Pixie On The Glow moisturizer, actually a travel like moisturizer. You can use it for all over the face, the neck, your skin, your knees, your elbows, all that good stuff. So this is like so good, but I like it for the face. I just feel like it gives such a good moisture on the face. Work that into the skin. Ugh. And that stickiness that you have from the Pixie Glow Stick is what you need for your foundation to just lock onto the skin. Primer, I'm going to be using the No Pore Blem Primer. I'm going to apply that just on these areas, like my T-zone. I'm not gonna all over the face since I did moisturize my face a lot. So just a little bit on these areas, and that is it for prepping the face. Several items from IB Beauty or IBY Beauty, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. And this is their palette, and it's their Desert Vibes palette. I received the Cheek to Cheek palette, 2 blushes, one is matte and one is shimmery. Also sent 2 of their Radiant Glow highlighters, sent 2 of their lippies, which are Cinnabunny and Sugar Bits, and these are lip toppers, which are lip gloss, and of course you would apply these on top of a lipstick. Let's get right into it before I make this video even longer. And yeah, this video is gonna be a bit long, so grab your popcorn and let's get started. I'm going to start with my eyebrows today, and today I'm using my Goof Proof pencil, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows like I would regularly fill them. I'm going to be using the Matte Ambition Full Spectrum by CoverGirl, and this is in the color light golden. Today I'm going to be using my Shayna B Miami sponge, and I'm going to be buffing that all into the skin. Take your time, buff it well, you know the drill. And today I'm going to be using a nude concealer as well. This is from the brand PYT. So cute. It literally has a concealer side and then it has a little brush side, which is so cute. I'm just going to apply this underneath the eyes and where I would highlight, of course. So let's see how this is. Of course, I like lighter concealers. This looks a bit dark, but it's okay, we can work with that. It is very creamy though. I like the creaminess. I don't know, I'm just gonna try this, but yeah, this is too tiny for me. I can't use this brush, but it's cute that it has a brush for anyone that likes using brushes. But I'm gonna go in with the sponge and just blend that out. Really like the color of it. I just need a little bit more coverage under the eye area, but I kind of like this concealer. It's not bad. To the powder, and of course I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty powder. Apply that on under the eye area and all over the face. And I'm going to contour my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and under the jawline. Go in with this powder. We've contoured and we've done basically the base of the face. We're gonna go in with the eyes and then finish off the face afterwards. Okay, for the eyes, I wanted to go in with some blue. Let's begin with a transition color, and I'm gonna be using Take a Hike, and it's this color right here. I'm gonna start by applying Take a Hike on the crease. That's basically gonna be the transition color for all of the colors that we're gonna be applying. And what I'm doing is using circular motions to blend that in. I first packed in the color and then I started doing circular movements. So once you have that color kind of blended, you don't have it that well blended because you're going to be adding other colors to it. You're going to take Heat Wave, which is the blue color right here. We're going to start applying that on the crease area, like a little above this little crease area. See, I want the other color to be above that blue. So you're gonna leave that, it looks crazy, but you're gonna leave that color right there. You're gonna go in with that Take a Hike color again above that and just blend it out a little. Basically doing like a cut crease, but you're not really doing like a cut crease. You know what I mean? So then we're gonna go in with the color that we're gonna use for the lid, which is Look Out, which is like a goldy, like bronzy color. And we're gonna apply that right on to the lid without touching the blue. We're gonna be playing around with more of the blue in a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and go over that. Leave the powder under my eyes because of the fallout, and this palette has like no fallout whatsoever. I'm impressed. I'm gonna take the blue color again, and that's the color that I'm gonna apply underneath the eye area, and I'm also going to apply it in this outer corner. What I'm basically doing is connecting the eyeshadow with the top on the bottom. So I want that like nice like Egyptian style kind of eyeshadow, and then we're gonna bring it down towards the bottom lash line. I used to do this look all the time back in the day. I have not done this in a long time. I just feel like I just got carried away with all of the cut creases and half cut creases, but this is such an easy way to make your eyes pop, you know what I mean? Like make your eyes look longer. What I like to do after I do that, I kind of like going in and just blending the blue with the brown a little bit. So you're gonna use a lighter color, which is low key here, and just blend those two colors. Here I'm just blending it out to make sure everything is well blended. You don't want it to look harsh. You want it to extend on the outside, but you want it to blend as well. You do want to see three of the colors. You want to see like the brown, the blue, and the gold, but you want to make sure it's well blended as well. So take your time blending. So you can go back in with the blue just in case you lost some of the color, or the gold. I didn't lose you in the process of doing this look. It's a bit different, I know, but it's fun. We are going to add eyeliner, and today I'm going to be using the Scandal Eyes Precision Micro Eyeliner. The eyeliner, I didn't want anything too crazy. I don't want it to take away from the look that I have going on. I'm actually going to go in with the blue underneath the eye just because I feel like it might have lost the shape. So just touching up just in case we lost the shape. I'm actually going to go in with my Ombre Hypnose Stylo, and it's in the color Blue Chrome, and it's obviously a royal blue color. It is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna try that and apply it into my waterline. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Mascara, and today I'm going to be going in with the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And I'm going to apply that on both the top and bottom lashes. Highlight the brow highlight first. I'm going to apply my Radiant Glow highlighter by IB. Ooh, that's pretty. Also apply that in the inner corner. So the lashes that I'm going to go in with today are by Amore Us, and they are the wispy lashes. While the lashes dry, we're going to go in with the bronzer, and I'm going to be using my bronzer from the Manizer Sisters. And I like to bronze up the face before I apply blush, but you can skip this step. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the cheeks, right on top of my contour, just to make it a little bit darker. Blush is in. You're gonna go in with the lashes, and let's see if they're dry enough. What's left is the highlight, and we're gonna go in with the same highlighter. We're gonna apply that right on the cheeks to start. Ooh, that is pretty. This highlighter is very buildable. Like, it goes on light, but as you go in, whew, it's fuego. I love it. I'm gonna add my setting spray, and today I'm gonna be using the Slay All Day setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics. I'm just gonna spray that all over the face. I'm gonna go in with a little more highlight just because I want it to pop. Wow. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna be using one of the toppers, and I think I'm gonna go in with this topper. And the lipstick of today is by Pop Beauty, and it's the Basic B. The topper is Sugar Bits, so I'm gonna be using these two for. So after the lipstick is in, then you are done, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys like this video. I'm trying to incorporate more looks into my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for you guys who have been supporting me, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. See you next time.